In recent years, the concept of the side hustle has surged in popularity, transcending traditional boundaries of employment and entrepreneurship. For many, a side hustle has become a viable way to supplement income, pursue passions, and enhance financial stability. Whether it's driven by the desire to pay off debt, save for a major purchase, or simply seek more satisfaction from work, individuals are increasingly turning their skills and hobbies into entrepreneurial ventures. The side hustle landscape is as diverse as the people who engage in it. Opportunities can range from online freelancing, such as graphic design, writing, and digital marketing, to more tangible pursuits like handmade crafts or local services. The internet has further democratized access to these opportunities, allowing anyone with a reliable connection to tap into global markets. As you explore the multitude of options available, it is essential to identify your interests and skills. This self-awareness not only boosts your chances of success, but also fosters an enjoyable experience. Many beginners find success by aligning their side hustle with an existing skill set, making the transition smoother and more sustainable. Another critical aspect of the side hustle landscape is its flexibility. Unlike traditional jobs, side hustles allow individuals to create their schedules, making it easier to balance personal and professional commitments. This adaptability has made side hustles increasingly attractive, especially for those seeking an alternative to the conventional 9-to-5 routine. The financial rewards can be significant, depending on the amount of time and effort invested. As opportunities evolve, so do the potential income streams associated with them. As you delve deeper into the side hustle landscape, it's important to consider the various types of side hustles that can suit your lifestyle and goals. Some popular categories include online businesses, gig work, creative endeavors, and service-based opportunities. Online businesses such as e-commerce stores or affiliate marketing leverage the power of the internet, allowing you to reach a vast audience with relatively low overhead costs. On the other hand, creative endeavors like photography, writing, or crafting enable you to monetize your hobbies and passions, allowing personal fulfillment alongside financial gain. Service-based opportunities such as tutoring, pet sitting, or home cleaning draw on your existing skills and can often be initiated with minimal financial investment. These ventures allow you to leverage your talents while providing valuable services to your community, creating a win-win situation. Moreover, it's crucial to understand the importance of branding and marketing your side hustle. Building a strong personal brand helps distinguish you in a crowded market, attracting potential clients or customers. Utilize social media platforms or professional networks to promote your services, connect with others in your niche, and build a community. Ultimately, the side hustle journey is about exploration and growth. Embrace the process, stay adaptable, and remember that each step forward, no matter how small, contributes to your overarching goal of financial independence and personal fulfillment.